Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical guide on how to withdraw your Cardano from Revolut and transfer it straight to crypto.com in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to move your assets securely and efficiently. Whether you're building your portfolio or just cashing out, this step-by-step tutorial will make the process a breeze. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Revolut and crypto.com. You'll need to verify your identity on both platforms for security reasons. It's a quick step that helps prevent any hiccups. Once that's done, open your Revolut app and navigate to the Crypto section. This is where all your digital assets are stored. Next, select Cardano from your list of cryptocurrencies. You'll see an option to withdraw or send. Tap on that. Now, here's the key part. You need the wallet address from crypto.com. Head over to the crypto.com app, go to your wallet, and copy the Cardano deposit address. Double check that it's for Cardano specifically, as using the wrong network could lead to lost funds. Back in Revolut, paste that address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of Cardano you want to transfer. Remember to leave a little buffer for any network fees. Review everything carefully, then confirm the transaction. You'll get a confirmation code or email, so keep an eye on that. In 2025, things might have some updates due to new regulations, so expect potential delays or additional verification steps. Once the transfer is initiated, it usually takes a few minutes to an hour to show up in your crypto.com wallet, depending on network congestion. A quick tip: always use the correct blockchain network. Cardano uses its own, so don't mix it up with Ethereum or others. If you run into issues, check both apps' support sections or reach out to their help desks. There you have it, you've successfully withdrawn your Cardano from Revolut to crypto.com. This keeps your assets flexible and secure. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.